Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to install anti-malware service executable from using high CPU in Windows 11. So firstly click on Start and type Task Scheduler. Open Task Scheduler. Now here expand Task Scheduler library. Now expand Microsoft. Now here expand Windows. Now the rise in this list, double click on Windows Defender on this one. So double click on it and here guys you will see some file. So double click on it and everything you will see here uncheck. Click on conditions and uncheck, then click on OK. Now this one, conditions, and uncheck this all box. Now this third one, and this last one. So double click on it conditions and click on OK. Now guys close it and restart your PC, and after restart hopefully guys you can fix and resolve stop anti-malware service executable from using high CPU in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.